Hey everybody, I'm out at Glacier Woods Metro Park today. Franklin County and Columbus have some great metro parks. I try to evaluate these parks, or I'm trying to evaluate these parks as a cyclist to see if there's enough trail for me to get a good workout on. So we'll give this a try. Already two bad things happened today. One, I'm trying to beat the rain. I think it's probably going to rain on me during this ride. And two, in my rush to get out, I left my helmet at home. Don't leave your helmet at home. All right, I'm going to do this ride now, but it's likely it won't rain since I have my rain gear, but I will follow my head. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for clicking in and clicking on. Glacier Ridge Metro Park is located on the northwest side of Columbus near Dublin, Ohio. My ride started near the permanent restrooms and the flagpole. The dog park is also right there. If you look at this map, Highland Croix Road forms the western boundary of the park. I rode south on Marshhawk Trail to Ironweed Trail to the Honda wetland area. My video finishes up near the perimeter trail of the obstacle course. I hope you enjoy my ride. Wow, Jesus. I don't know what kind of swarm that was. I doubt if the camera gets it. Woo! Oh, they're on me. That was a swarm of bees, folks. I'll do anything for content. But I'm happy I didn't get stung yet. It's funny, I could see them. I just couldn't figure out what they were until I hit them. You know, maybe the helmet would have doomed me back there. Sure glad I didn't fall off the bike. Well, I'm not gonna lie, Glacier Ridge Metro Park, a lot of fun. I did about 10.5 miles. I did essentially an out and a back. I started here by the restrooms. They're in the background there. I went down to the wetlands and I came back 10.5 miles. There was some looping, some repeating. I had to go over on the obstacle course, which is to say I rode around the obstacle course to get my 10.5 miles. A lot of the subdivisions appear to be linked, which is to say you can get off a trail in Glacier Ridge Metro Park and go into a subdivision. I've also noticed, just looking at Google Maps, that there seems to be, no worries, thank you. There seems to be quite a bit of tie-in to the subdivisions around the park. So if I were you, I would try it out. I'm definitely going to come back. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, follow, share, and I'll see you next time.